Just the fact that doctors were just drugging me up by giving me pain pills and not explaining things to me and just wanting to see me and take my money and,
I've had chronic headaches throughout my life since I was a teenager.
High blood pressure, I had COPD.
Because I was getting tremors, tingling, burning sensations. And
I had had cancer twice.
I spent many years on heavy medication.
Heavy psychotic medications and then pain management on top of it.
Inflammation on my face and the back of my head. My vision was off. My heart would be racing. There was a lot of different things going on.
I walked into the office and I knew immediately that it was different.
Within the first week of my care, I was able to get off my sleeping pills, and I have not ever looked back.
Which I lost about 40 pounds.
My headache was gone, the eyeball ache was gone, the inflammation was going down.
I was pretty much headache-free.
About 6 months later, I was off of all that medication.
I was like, wow, oh my gosh, and I was just blown away by it.
The headache's the symptom. It's not the problem.
Eating right and doing your exercises and getting your adjustments really works.
He says, you're coming back. I am. I'm coming back.
she's a completely different person, to be honest.